would like to introduce you to the kneeling Roomba here. That happens to jump everywhere, apparently.
That's hilarious stuff right here. Boy, I'll say it's like in prop hunt, guys. I mean, like where you're as a prop, and now this guy's just zooming around in circles and stuff.
Josh, I challenge you to a fight.
It's time to issue
okay.
a challenge.
Oh, now he stands up.
All right, now you're standing. All right, go ahead, guys.
Wait. Oh, it's E. I can't jump like that. Wait.
Yeah, it takes practice.
Come on, you two. Oh, Sean has taken the lead. Can Josh take it back and make it a tie? I think it's on the timer or something. Now, begin. And Sean wins.
Wait, how did I win?
I think there's
now
bleed
you're
out.
not glitched, but he was glitched, guys, earlier.
Yeah, he was.
Okay, let's do that again, because I want to see if he glitches.